Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne with Back to Earth Creations, and we're about to open October 2024's Potomac Bead Box Treasure Edition. Let's see what's in it. So normally I try to get my recording done in the morning when I'm all like bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, but it has been a long day and I've been looking forward to opening this package, so I thought I'd go ahead and just dive right in. This is the Treasure Edition. Potomac does also have a kit box that has an accompanying project, but this one with the Treasure Edition, it's a little bit of like a mixed and matched menagerie. Ooh, okay, so already I'm digging it. This one's called the Enchanted Forest, and it reads, Step into the Enchanted Forest treasure box, where iridescent jet black leaves create a shimmering canopy against the midnight blue sky. An assortment of glass beads captures the enchantment of the woodland, where each bloom is veiled in deep violet and cerulean hues, radiating an ethereal glow. Glimmering gemstones pave your path, mirroring the starlight above like scattered crystals. A small gold Athena cast heart charm around your neck is your only connection to the world beyond this mystical realm. You fasten a thread to a tree to trace your path home, but will you ever truly find your way back? Oh my god, that's intense, y'all. Also, I've been practicing like my reading because I think over on our Kick channel I may start doing a reading of Shadow Moon, like one of the like Willow books by like George Lucas and another person. Anyways, but that was fun. I had fun reading that, and I am definitely enticed. Do not eat. Okay, so it is always very, very nice to get organizers for the beads. I especially love these for when I'm crafting on the go, because it's really nice to be able to grab like the beads for a project and take them either to the upstairs living room or to take them on the road with me. Now this is a size 6, 5 meters of a very pretty color. I wonder though, do y'all use this beading thread? Is this a stout enough size? Like, would you use this for bracelets or earrings? Or let me know down in the comments, because I'm still relatively new to beading. Ooh. Now these are very pretty. It's like a lapis blue. It looks like opaque navy. Size 11, I think. Maybe 15. It doesn't say it has the sticker over it. I don't know. And then, oh, you know, it should have it on the back of this. I don't know which one this is. Seed beads, the Azuki. Yeah, that must be what it is. Size 11. Okay, cool. And then these are smooth rounds in purple swirl. Very cool. I'm actually going to take that out of the bag. And you may be able to hear my turtle tank in the background. Those are my fairy god turtles. We're turtle sitting them for my niece, since she's going to be going off to college. And you're also probably hearing my dog Z harful snarfle gorping on probably his feet. He hates his feet, and he's constantly trying to chew his feet off. These are very pretty. Now, I've run out of natural daylight today, but just here under my lighting, I think these are very pretty. I'm curious to see what they look like in the sunlight. Now, also, I purchased these tubes separately. There will be a link down in the video description to where you can get your own kit, as well as where you can get your own bead tubes, because I just love the way that those look. And then, ooh, some 4mm round. Oh, that's very nice. There we are. And I'm just going to pop this into another bead tube. Very cool. Just grabbing another one of the caps. Now, my favorite thing after all this time is still to wire wrap with these, with all the beads. And so we officially did make it into Anime St. Louis, so we are gearing up for another, experience vending there in 2025. Now these ones, those are very pretty, and they have 2 holes in each of them. If I felt confident in my beading skills, I'd love to make something out of this shape. So I actually think I may re-sign up, but for the kit edition, and that way I can actually learn some different stitches and things. Ooh, now these are fire agate faced round, so faceted, that's what that is, round 15 inches. Now that's nice. A good long length of, oh yeah, that's awesome. So whenever it's threads of strands of beads like this, I'm going to go ahead and just use this measuring cup. And let's see. Are we able, yeah, to get a little bit of movement through there? Now this certainly does seem like it's dyed agate, but I don't mind. It's very pretty. It's nice and bright. I think this will be perfect for some nice like fairy, fae themed jewelry. There we go. And now from here, I'm going to take that and just dump it into my hand. And then we can just scoop it up this away. These will be perfect little accent beads for like wire wrapped pendants and things like that, I do think. There we go. And then we'll put another cap in it. Boop. So I certainly do recommend getting some bead tubes just to, with any kit that I get. It's just nice to have places to store things. So these are some really beautiful. Look at the colors on those. Now that's gorgeous. Oh. And I'm going to see, do these fit? Oh, maybe. That's a nice full little compartment of that. And then this is a nice dichroic glass heart. Or not a heart, like a little trapezoid. That's very pretty. We're going to have to make a necklace out of this, you guys. I think this might be a perfect opportunity to do... Well, that's not going to fit. We'll just set that out. Perfect opportunity to do like a bead stringing experiment, perhaps. What are these? Athena cast charms. Wow. 24 karat gold plated. That is really cool. I'm going to put them in that little jar. But I actually think I am going to just be doing some wire wrapping with this one. Mostly just because I don't have a lot of beading cable right now. I certainly have more wire than I do beading cable. There is a pack of 20. This is a prop bead, but that's really, I don't know what it means by prop bead. But look at that shape. It's almost like a... that faceting is really interesting. Let's see, will they fit? No. That's good to know. I think I have another... Ooh, I do. I've got a little tube here. There we go. Oops. Making mess. Oh no. Oh goober. Okay. Oh wait, I've got these ones here. I bet that'll fit. Oh yeah, maybe. Don't let me get ahead of myself. Oh no, it's not gonna fit. Oh. Well, at least they'll set in there for a moment. Let me find a different container. Okay, I found, I was able to shuffle some beads and get this 3-inch tube. There we go. Very nice. And now what else do we have? Oh, these are pretty. Teeny tiny little topaz. Faceted 2mm bicones, it says. Oh, that one doesn't want to come out, does it? There we go. And again, I just love the sparkle in faceted crystals like this. Oh, and it looks like there's a nice mix in here too. I want to always make sure that I have a good closure. Oh, now these are pretty. Look at that. I don't know if the camera is going to do it justice picking up on it, but it has a very nice iridescence going on. This is another one that I'm going to be using. There we go. Then here on the end, I like to just snip that. I use my flush cutters because they have a nice flat side. And then I'm pretty sure these will all fit just fine into one of these short tubes. There we go. And if you enjoy this kind of video where we're bagging beads and just kind of chit-chatting, we do have one of our most recent live streams. Now those are gorgeous. Crystal cylinders. It's like a faceted bugle bead. But yeah, our most recent live stream was about 2 hours of just playing in beads. So we have all sorts of different videos and tutorials and live streams that might help get your creative juices flowing, might teach you something new. And if you see something and you have ideas or advice, I love hearing from y'all. I learned so much from, how y'all interacting and everything, and all of our viewers are what make our community here so amazing. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I really like those. So be sure to keep an eye out for, oh, those ones all stuck together. Keep an eye out for our social media posts on TikTok, here on YouTube, and on Instagram and Facebook. We'll be posting to show what it is that we ended up making with today's beads, because I think we might have some cool spooky spiders. I think we might have some like nice autumn themed like pumpkin-esque earrings. So there's all sorts of different things that we may be doing that I'm pretty excited about. But yeah, I just like to come in here and snap. There we go. This is a really nice, I love big faceted beads like this. I feel like they add such sparkle and liveliness to a piece. I think I'll be wire wrapping these in a 20 gauge square antique copper or bare copper. I'm not certain yet. It's going to just depend on whatever I have in my stash. And there's those. Oh, those are so sparkly. And I'm digging this like orange and purple, like spooky. Oh, I didn't even see this green. How nice is that? Now I'm going to need to go ahead. I don't think they're going to fit in here. They may. That's probably going to take up too much space. But, it's the bead tube I have. I can always reallocate it in my bead collection at a later time. Ooh. Scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop. That is such a pretty green. Yeah, it wouldn't have fit into one of our 3-inch tubes anyhow, so I'm glad I used just what was right in front of me. Boop. Now, again, I just want to reiterate that I did not get these tubes in as part of the kit. Those were provided, I provided those. But everything in the tubes came in this kit. So let me know what y'all's thoughts are on the value of this kit. Is this something that you would, would you get for yourself or as a gift for a friend? What would you make with this kit? Oh, I can feel the long day in my voice. All right, so I am getting ready to sort this bad boy. And it says it's Jet AB glass mix. I'm gonna get my sorting tweezers. Now also, I probably sort like a lunatic, so don't hold it against me. So we have a couple that are, oh my goodness, they're so big. So the big unique ones, any that are similar, I'm putting together. So there's some of those ones. Those two look similar. Oh, that one has a nice little... Okay. They keep rolling. So there's not a whole lot that are very similar to each other. Let's see. So there's one flower. Those ones are still pretty different. You know, I think this might be best used put into like a little bottle for like fairy bottle jewelry. Or making like a, oh, that might be what we do. Like a fairies menagerie bracelet, like all strung onto a memory bead bracelet together, or made into individual links and made it into like a shaggy loops. That might be a lot of fun. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to have these two set aside for spider butts, just because they are dummy thick. And there will be a link up on the screen here to show you how to make a wire wrapped spider using beads like this. So hopefully that'll be helpful to y'all. But let's see, can we get this? I'm going to see if I can put all of these into a tube together. Let's see how this goes. Oops. Bead down. Oops. There we go. Well, that was just about the perfect size again, wasn't it? So this is, with the exclusion of the bead tubes. These ones did come with the kit. But everything else, this is what came in October's kit. And be sure to stay tuned to our different social media with our short form videos, where you'll be able to see what it is that we made with this month's box. And be sure to tag us with like, you can hashtag Potomac beads. You can also hashtag craft along with Vaughn. That way we can see what you are making. And again, there's links down in the video description. And I will see y'all in our next video. So until then, thank you so much for watching and being here and for all of your support. And happy crafting. Mwah. Bye.